What's up, guys? We're in the car wash. We're not gonna talk, we're just gonna do the video.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
I'm only gonna record the front.
Drive forward. Don't like, subscribe, turn the bell notification on so you know that every time we do a video. And yeah. Stop somebody here, but then that thing moves.
You have the outside area.
You have the outside on me. What was in the video? Okay. No, that's like my face. Okay. It's okay. I don't really care.
Oh,
Already, the first
gonna
thing was
happen.
yesterday. The gray part.
mm.
Oh, look, I always do that at the end of the videos. Yeah, but I never recorded you this time, Nicholas. I saw.
This is a good part.
My window's not.
Nothing.
Mine is. Mine. When your window gets the gray, mine is gonna wear off. Like, look at it already. Did? Okay, good. Oh, that window's gonna be last. Yep, it is. See, look at mine already. Oh, look, now you can.
The best part will
The
happen.
best part is when the soap comes.
It looks like it
now
just.
can I record my face?
Yeah.
Everybody knew it. Don't. Okay, let's go. Oh, can you record me? What's that? Record me.
Okay, I'm recording. Hello.
Yeah. Open the room.
It's gonna happen.
What did the fly get
The
destroyed?
sunroof. Yeah.
It's not even on here anymore.
It's happening. Oh.
Yeah, record in the front. You can see it better.
Oh man.
Oh man.
The video will be over once we're waiting for the part that we want. Yes.
Yes, foam.
Yes, this.
Yeah. My window's gonna get covered.
Yeah, subscribe, by the way.
It's kind of a weird video. The video might be titled like "In the Car Wash."
It
or
will.
something like that.
This is what I like.
I found 8. An 8 or like a person.
Oh,
Or a
yeah.
6 or a 6.
That does look like a...
Oh no! You can feel the vibration.
Yes.
Oh, mine's still lasting. Nicholas, you still have it.
Oh my god, yeah, he does. Oh, he's done. Oh, he will. We can just see.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah. Boom.
Is that we actually act when we're in the car wash? No, it's not. I kind of is.
You could hear that.
Now we're gonna drive out.
Yeah, that's it. Well, we're almost done, but...
Shine the girl.
Yes.
Okay, bye guys.
We're gonna do it when we're out of the car wash.
Well, yeah, look at the countdown. You have a minute.
A minute countdown, where do you see?
Don't hit the car because it always does. Well, it doesn't, but just don't hit it because that's what we always do, see?
Drive the car.
Don't
Mhm.
like this. Come on.
Come
Imagine
on.
the windshield just broke and then it messed up.
That would have messed up.
Please. 24 seconds.
How do you... Oh, yeah, it's right there, I think. Oh, yeah, right there. I don't know if you can see what it says. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9,
You know we have more seconds
7,
actually.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You
Hey,
know,
we're
video
out.
that video.
Yeah, we're out of the
Select it
seconds.
And bye.
Yeah, we're out of the car wash. So
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.